Hey, welcome to Viking Preparedness. I'm Pastor Joe Fox. Welcome aboard New Vikings. All right, I have two things for you today. I was recently blessed by two people, and I thought I'd share it with you because some of y'all are interested in the same things I'm interested in. You know, on the Vice video, we did a Vice video. If you're not familiar with it, I'm thinking most of you are. Go to Vice YouTube channel, Vice VICE, and they've done it in the last week. You'll know which one it is. Um, there was a lot of shooting in that video. They were here shooting us, camera for a couple days, and I think the total range time was an hour and a half. But that makes up a big part of the video, right? And I saw some snarky comments, and people are like, "That's a lot of ammo," and da 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 da. Hey, ammo's hard to get. I get it. Ammo's hard to get. Ammo's expensive. Around here, it's very difficult to find ammo at any price. And so the first thing I have for you is this. I do not know how to say that word. I met the CEO of this company, aeolusdefense.com. If you go there, they have ammo. They have ammo. They will ship it. I think it's free shipping. They have 9 mil, 5.56, 300 blackout. I spent some time with the CEO, and I don't know what he publicly shares with people. So I'll tell you this about him: solid guy, good guy, one of us, right? Um, he's a cool guy. I like him. He's got his fingers in a lot of different pots. He does interesting things with interesting people. I'll leave it at that. But here you go. This company, defense.com, they had ammo as of 10 minutes ago. Now, as with everything I do on YouTube, I do a YouTube video, all y'all see it, and a bunch of you act on it, and then I start seeing comments like tomorrow, people writing comments, they didn't have any left. Guys, if you want it, get it. If you don't, that's cool. But I've already told Patreon. Oh, yes, I gave them a heads up. So if you want in on ammo, if you need ammo, go check them out. All kinds of ammo.com. Then I'm excited about this. You know how they do those videos on YouTube where they open the box, unboxing videos? We're going to do something like that, but I was given this in person, not in a box, but I haven't opened it. And so we are going to open it together. And that is this. It's called the SOB IFAK, the small of the back individual first aid kit. I saw one of these disassembled on a table, and so I'm pretty sure I know what's in it, but I haven't opened mine yet. So we're going to open it together, and you're going to get to see how this thing is. The one thing I did do is I was playing with my tourniquet, my cat tourniquet that comes with it. It came in a plastic bag, and I took it apart. There's a way you refold it so that you can actually deploy it and use it. This kit is built by Refuge Medical, assembled, put together, designed by Refuge Medical, who will also teach you how to use everything in it, almost, with the exception of one thing that I'm pretty sure is in here. We'll find out together. Refuge Medical, if you saw the Vice video, are our brothers, our friends, our fellow Shofarians. So yeah, bias, but they do make top tier medical kits and medical supplies. Everything is designed, made, shipped in America. This whole thing, everything in it, made in America. I know the man who makes these pouches right here. I was just in his shop 2 weeks ago, and he was making these. So made in America, and it does it say it on here? His name. This says Bear Independent on the tag because he is the CEO of A Refuge Medical. So let's just start on the outside. This thing is a perfect size for do you have a war belt that you use when you go to the range? A lot of people do. Your range belt, you put your cool holster on it, you put all your magazine holders on it, like that. You need first aid, right? And sometimes a bigger kit just kind of gets in the way and you don't want it. If you want a bigger kit, Refuge Medical makes kits called Bear IFAKs and Stomp bags and everything else. You can go as big as you want. This is their smallest, most compact kit. And as you're going to find out, there's enough in here to take care of any major bleeding problem you have, Yah forbid, on the firing range. You could put it on your war belt. You could put this on your harness, your chest rig, or on your vest, or you could put it behind the headrest on your car. So let's get into it, shall we? This is a CAT tourniquet. I'm not going to take this all apart. It's suspended down here, and like I said, I took it out of the plastic bag and reconfigured it so for one-handed use. Refuge Medical conducts classes. I know for a fact they've got one coming up in Pennsylvania pretty soon. I think right now they're deployed to one in Texas or something. If you go to their site, refugemedical.com, you'll find out. Okay, so it comes in this cool little bag with these strips so you can move them. I think they're called malice clips. You can mount it kind of anywhere you want. The bag is this big. It opens up like this. Oh, and it comes, you can put your patch on there. It might even come like when you get one with a cool like patch on it. I'm not sure. When you open it up, it looks like this. I'm familiar with this concept because I helped design it. Grab the red handle. You don't see the red when this is on. Also, this pouch comes in a bunch of different colors. You can get it in black and camo, and is this green? I'm colorblind. So you open this up. Then you grab this, because this is attached to something, right? You don't want to sit there and play with your clips to go take it to where you need it. So you just pull this out and run to where you got to go. If you need this, you can rip this off too. All right, so look at that, huh? Look at that. I know the guy who makes these. It's the same guy who makes these. Go figure. Okay, so you have this cool pouch. I like the red because you can see it right away. I'm not that colorblind. And then this is what you get when you open it up. Let's go through it together, shall we? I'm trying to organize my table so I can give you a good screenshot when we're done. So the first thing that we come to is a Sharpie, useful for writing all kinds of things down: when you applied the tourniquet, names, meds they're taken, last meal eaten, whatever information. It'll write on anything pretty much. This is the one thing Refuge Medical, as far as I know, doesn't teach you how to use. You're going to have to get training elsewhere or hope that a medically trained person comes along. But this is a 14 gauge chest decompression needle for tension pneumothorax. I believe everybody in the Army is trained how to use this. We certainly were in Special Forces. And it is not up to me to teach you how to use this. It's sterile in here, so I'm not going to open it for you. But it's basically like a big hypodermic needle, right? Big, thick needle. And it's for dealing with tension pneumothorax. And beyond that, you need training to use it, or you need somebody to show up who has training. Many of us do have training. Gloves. Boom. Isn't that nice? And they're cool black ones, too, not blue or white. So nitrile gloves, because bloodborne diseases, and then we have all this stuff in here. So let's pull it out. I'm not going to repack this for you on camera. They know how to pack it. I will repack it, but not on camera. Okay, so here we have QuikClot combat gauze, not some weird Chinese knockoff thing that you don't even know what's in or if it's going to work. The real deal QuikClot combat gauze. There's the stuff on the back. Stop the bleeding, the stuff. All right, put that like that. I'm trying to make this look pretty. All right, right here, let's see what this, I know what these are. Hyphen chest seals for sucking chest wounds. Now here's the deal. Oftentimes, when you have a hole in the front of your chest, you have a hole somewhere in the back of your chest that needs to be dealt with. Hence, you get two of them. Here's a quick tip. Don't wear your first aid kit on your chest. because you don't want a hole in your chest seals, right? All right. So you have two hyphen chest seals, high quality chest seals. Again, Refuge Medical will teach you how to use these properly if you attend one of their classes, and they're probably eventually going to put out, instructional DVDs and stuff. Okay, this is a nasal pharyngeal airway. It's to up the nose so that the person can continue to breathe, because bad things happen when people get shot, fall down, go boom, that kind of thing. This one comes with lube gel. I don't know what it is, but that's what it is. I can't see without my glasses on. It's lubrication gel that you on that thing so it slips up the nose. Again, they'll teach you how to do that. Very comfortable, let me tell you. Wow. Sterile crinkle cotton compressed gauze. This is kind of like Kerlix, right? If you know what Kerlix is, but it's all compressed really tight like a survival ration. And so when you rip this open and pull it out, you have a lot of gauze for stuffing holes, because little hole in the front, sometimes fist-size hole in the back. What are we sticking that? Open this up, put that in there. So you get that. I like how it's so tight and like all the air sucked out of it. Made in America. Because it rules the universe. Duct tape. You should have this everywhere. We all keep a roll of duct tape underneath the driver's seat of all our vehicles. This is how I carry duct tape in my bob, my bug out bag. And duct tape rules the universe, and you can use it for a myriad of tasks. Yes, even in trauma care, first aid kind of things. Mini compression bandage, right? So pressure on the wound. Now, yes, this will deal with gunshots, but it'll deal with any kind of, major bleed. Of course, it'll deal with a minor bleed, but I'm talking about, you just got gashed on your arm. This would be a great kit to carry around with your chainsaw, right? Just hook this onto your chaps. You do wear chainsaw chaps, right? No, I don't need them. You do. Hook this onto your chaps so you always have it. Then you have a kit to go. I helped design, with the help of the man who built these pouches, a chainsaw first aid kit. This one is much better. All right, so compressed gauze. But wait, there's more. And then you have these wipes, right? These little antiseptic wipes. Yeah, antiseptic BZK towelette wipes. Because before you put like chest seals and things like that on, you want to clean it off, then put it on. Or if you have a cut, you want to clean around a little bit before you wrap it up with your gauze, compressed gauze and stuff like that. And so that is this kit. It is available at Refuge Medical. Let's see if you can see it. Can you see everything? Push it in a little bit. There we go. Can you see all this? Look at all this goodness. Whoa. Hey, give them a look. They have really good gear. It's all made in America. Everything they have is quality. Even the scissors that they sell there or that come in other kits, they're not these cheap Chinese knockoff scissors. They're the real deal, right? A lot of North American Rescue stuff and other, they tell you on their website. This is called the SOB IFAK, small of the back IFAK. Super versatile. It's got everything you need, nothing you don't in it. And I think you should give one to everybody you love. All right. I will see you out there. I hope you don't have to use this, but I pray that if you do need it, you have it. And if you want one, jump on it. Jump on this and jump on AeolusDefense.com if you want ammo, because other people are. All right, give them a look-see. I appreciate y'all. I'll see you out there.